Hello folks, Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technology coming at you here. Quick video we're doing on our proprietary race scanning technology and some picture-in-picture charts. Very helpful in my personal trading. Other people find them very helpful as well. What I mean by picture-in-picture is we've got a daily chart here and a weekly chart picture inside of it. And this just helps give us a really good view of where a stock has been. Price has memory with stocks, as any technical analysis will tell you. And this gives us a shorter and longer term look on that memory of the price of stock here. Back to the stock market scanning technology with these proprietary races. We've got this race that I've created here and we call it Relative Strength from the Open. It's a very customizable and a very shareable scan. If you ever come visit us, trade-ideas.com. You take a subscription, shoot us an email, happy to send the scan right over to you. You can create your own from scratch as well. Left side of the scan, it's live data. It's what's going on right now relative to how this scan works and what it shows. The right side of it here is a list of what we call our winners, or our finish line. And it gives a little number afterwards how many times each of these stocks has finished first in this, essentially creating a really wonderful watch list. So something like BTAI, we can see it's been on here. They're 3-minute races that they run in, and won 17 of them throughout the day. And we can see a beautiful climb in BTAI all day long. Nothing too whippy, nothing too crazy. Do they all look as clean and nice as this? No, they don't. But when you have a day like this and you can find something like that, a little edge in the market, it's really wonderful. Obviously, we can see it's gone on to sell off at this point. What I want to highlight here is also the day in the market. Here's your S&P 500 represented by the SPY ETF. And we can see here, this section is today and a gap up, and a move down, and a move up, and a move down, and a move up for an hour plus, and then we just fading the rest of the day here. So no clear edge in the market all day long, but a nice look that we got from BTAI that was here. We also had something similar here and a few other stocks, a little tougher on the trading of them, but all the same, they gave us some executionable moves here. GRTS, another one that was here, a nice climb up here for a bit over an hour before a pullback. It's not out of the realm of possibility that moves up again. We can see that it's got a high relative volume, very liquid stock today. It just takes a little more buying power, and perhaps we see this make another run at the high of the day here. So we've got a nice watch list that's on the side from this proprietary race scanning technology as well. Last part that I want to show here is in this live data that's going on right now as the market sells off. We've got a lot of inverse ETFs that are winning and leading these races right now. And that tells me that if I'm in a trade right now, perhaps if I'm up in some money, I want to take some of those profits. So there's multiple ways that any scan can be used, and there's no one way to use data. It's all how we want to view it and use it. And I think that's extremely important for people to see, digest, and realize here when they're scanning the market, looking for that idea generation. Again, Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technology. Come visit us, trade-ideas.com. Make a free account, check out some delayed data races, help give a little more insight into what we do around here. Hope to see you there, and take care, folks.